place to call my home. One drink, if I let.
Would you like to find out where you can serve in Excel Church? Well, why not come along to Accelerate? Accelerate is a 4-week course starting on Monday the 4th of March. You can find out more about this course on the website. You can also sign up for the course online on our website or go to one of the welcome team or leaders.
Love released me from my shame, raised to life back from the grave. Now
Late night worship is going to happen on Sunday the 17th of February from 8 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. It's a time for everyone to relax and be with Jesus, and everybody is welcome.
your love covers all my sin. Mercy, meeting me right where I am.
If you come along to 180 or you've got children who do, then we want to let you know about a trip that they're going to be going on the 15th of February. They're going to be going to play laser tag, and it's going to cost you the bargain price of just £3 for 2 games. You can book your child in via our website or via Exchange, or you can pick up a form from the welcome desk and pay your money as well. So that's laser tag on the 15th of Feb for 180 youth.
Found you.
On Saturday the 8th of March, we will be going down south to Milton Keynes for SYC on tour. This is a perfect opportunity for anybody Year 6 or above to catch up with old friends or to have a flavour of SYC. You can book your son or daughter for SYC on tour through Exchange, online through the website, or by picking up a letter at the welcome desk.
The more I find who you are, the more I know who I am. I was lost.
It's been such a great blessing to have Watoto Children's Choir here with us at Excel Church this weekend, and we want to say a huge thank you to everyone who supported the concerts on Friday and Saturday, to those who've hosted the choir, provided them with food or helped in any way to make them feel welcome. That's everything for Excel News, but remember to get yourself here this Wednesday night at 7:30 for the first of Mike's Bible studies looking at the life of David from 2 Samuel chapters 11 and 12. Have a great week, and we'll see you back next Sunday for more Excel News.